Welcome back to our channel, Woodworking Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 10 woodworking tools that will make your projects easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, these tools are game changers. Let's get started. Number 1. If you're looking for a powerhouse tool that brings precision, convenience, and versatility to your workshop, let me introduce you to the SKL 15 amp 10-inch portable job site table saw with folding stand. The rack and pinion fence rails ensure that the fence stays perfectly parallel to the blade, giving you fast, smooth, and accurate cuts every time. The integrated folding stand makes this table saw incredibly portable and easy to store. The parallel blade alignment offers micro-adjustment capabilities, ensuring your blade is perfectly aligned. With a 4x4 cutting capacity, this saw can handle material up to 4x4 inches at 90 degrees. The 2 to 47 degrees bevel capacity allows you to make angled cuts between two positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees with a quick release lever. The dust port elbow redirects dust into a container, making cleanup a snap. Ready to upgrade your workshop? Number 2. Let me introduce you to the Jorgensen number 1023.5-inch mini wood planer, your new go-to tool for precision and efficiency. This mini hand planer features a blade made of professional level 9 CRWMN01 tool steel, sharpened for optimal wood planing. The blade's exceptional quality ensures improved cutting efficiency while minimizing wear, and it can be repeatedly sharpened and adjusted for long-term use. Crafted from advanced materials, the ductile iron body withstands heavy-duty use and is drop-tested for durability. The lever cap is made of zinc alloy, and other parts are stainless steel, ensuring high-quality construction. With an adjustable cutting depth, you can easily fine-tune the blade length by turning the knob, making it versatile for various woodworking tasks. Compact and portable, this mini block plane is perfect for trimming, polishing, deburring, and more. Its flat bottom ensures smooth operation, and it comes with an instruction manual, making it user-friendly for both professionals and beginners. The Jorgensen Mini Wood Planer is an indispensable tool for any woodworking project. Number 3. Hey, woodworking enthusiasts! Let me introduce you to the DeWalt Benchtop Planer, a game-changer for your woodworking projects. This powerful planer boasts a 15-ampere motor that delivers 20,000 RPM, making it perfect for handling larger and deeper cuts in hardwoods with ease. The 3-knife cutter head spins at 10,000 RPM, providing an impressive 96 cuts per inch for one of the finest finishes you'll find in any portable planer. The knives are disposable and reversible, offering 30% more life and allowing for quick and easy changes. Designed for precision, the 4-column carriage lock minimizes movement to drastically reduce snipe. The extra-long in-feed and out-feed tables provide 33.5 inches of support, ensuring smooth material handling. For accuracy, the material removal gauge and extra-large thickness scale ensure precise cuts every time. Plus, the turret depth stop allows you to easily return to your most frequently used depths. Upgrade your woodworking game with the DeWalt Benchtop Planer today. Number 4. Check out the Jet 10 inches by 15 inches variable speed woodworking lathe, a versatile and powerful addition to your workshop. With a robust 1/2 HP motor and 115-volt single-phase power, this lathe offers reliable performance for all your turning projects. It features an impressive 15.5 inches between centers, giving you plenty of room to work on larger pieces. The integrated 24-position indexing allows for detailed work and precision, making it perfect for intricate designs. One of the standout features is the 3 variable speed ranges: 200 to 1050 RPM, 300 to 1750 RPM, and 600 to 3600 RPM. This flexibility lets you tackle a variety of materials and projects with ease. The wider bedways provide increased stability, ensuring smooth and accurate operation. The improved tensioning system offers easier access to the belts, making adjustments a breeze. Additionally, the live center in the tailstock ensures that your workpieces are securely held in place. Upgrade your woodworking setup with the Jet 10 inches by 15 inches variable speed woodworking lathe and experience enhanced performance and precision. Number 5. Meet the Fox Alien CNC Router Machine XC Pro, a versatile and powerful 3-axis engraving and milling machine perfect for both wood and aluminum cutting. This machine is equipped with NEMA 23 closed-loop stepper motors, ensuring faster, smoother, and quieter operation. With a maximum moving speed of 5,000 millimeters per minute, it's 2.5 times faster than machines with open-loop stepper motors. The XC Pro features a ball screw-driven system on the XYZ axis, providing precise cutting and carving capabilities. The dual linear rails on the Z-axis enhance the machine's rigidity, ensuring accuracy and stability during operation. What sets the XC Pro apart is its unique upgradable design. You can upgrade the XY axis to linear rails, transforming it into an industrial-grade machine for home use. This innovative feature provides unparalleled flexibility and performance. The XC Pro also offers more possibilities for spindles with 3 different spindle clamps: 52 millimeters, 65 millimeters, and 69 millimeters. This allows you to use various spindles or trim routers to suit different projects. Plus, it's compatible with Fox Alien engraving power modules, expanding your creative possibilities. Upgrade your workshop with the Fox Alien CNC Router Machine XC Pro and experience precision, speed, and versatility like never before. Number 6. Introducing the Pony 2-Pack 52 Wood Gluing Pipe Clamp Fixture, designed for 1/2-inch black pipes. These clamps are perfect for freeing up your hands and boosting your efficiency on woodworking projects of any length. These versatile clamps feature a large 1 to 1/2-inch clamping face, making them suitable for a wide range of projects. Constructed from tough iron cast, they offer high clamping pressure thanks to the multiple disc clutch, ensuring quick and secure adjustments. Removing the clamps after the job is done is a breeze. Using these clamps is straightforward. Just adjust the handle to increase clamping force and add the coil spring to prevent slipping. They are easy to assemble and ideal for both industrial and DIY woodworking projects. With Pony pipe clamps, you can achieve professional and efficient woodworking results in no time. Upgrade your woodworking toolkit with these reliable and sturdy clamps for all your clamping needs. Number 7. Meet the Woodworking Corner Clamp, a must-have tool for your workshop. This set of 4 adjustable, spring-loaded wood clamps is perfect for aligning, nailing, woodworking, welding, screwing, and making cabinets, boxes, and picture frames. Ideal for all your wooden DIY projects, these clamps ensure precision and ease. The Woodworking Corner Clamp allows for fast and accurate fixing of wood boards and frames at a 90-degree angle. It fits boards with a thickness of 3/16 inch to 3/4 inch, making it perfect for both 90-degree corners and T-joints. Made from premium quality polyamide material, these clamps are built to last and provide reliable performance for a long service life. Featuring a strong, flexible spring, these clamps offer huge tension to keep boards firmly in place while you screw or glue them together. The lightweight and convenient design allows for single-handed operation, making your woodworking tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Upgrade your woodworking toolkit with the Woodworking Corner Clamp and experience the ease of precise and secure clamping for all your projects. Number 8. Let me introduce you to the WorkPro Bar Clamps, a versatile and reliable 6-pack set perfect for all your woodworking needs. This set includes 4 6-inch clamps and 2 12-inch clamps, designed for one-handed operation and light-duty quick-change use with a 150 pounds load limit. Built with a reinforced nylon body and high-quality hardened steel bars, these clamps provide excellent impact resistance, making them ideal for heavy use on construction sites. The unique quick-change button design allows you to easily convert the clamp into a spreader. Just press the red button, remove the jaw, reverse it, and you have a spreader ready for use. With up to 150 pounds of powerful clamping force and a metal ratcheting mechanism, these clamps are perfect for woodworking and household repairs. They are lightweight yet sturdy, capable of holding pressure for extended periods. The non-marring, removable, and replaceable pads feature a flexible, non-slip texture that enhances the overall clamping force. The quick-release latch allows for simple and fast adjustments and locking, while the ergonomically designed handle and dipped plastic on the quick-release latch ensure comfort during use. Upgrade your toolkit with the WorkPro bar clamps and experience powerful, reliable clamping for all your projects. Number 9. Let me introduce you to the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Biscuit Joiner, a brushless powerhouse that will revolutionize your woodworking projects. The brushless motor provides powerful and consistent cutting performance for most common biscuit sizes, ensuring reliable and precise results every time. This joiner features a dual rack and pinion fence design, allowing for accurate cuts and stable alignment. The tool-free depth, height, and bevel adjustments make it easy to set up and switch between different tasks quickly. The depth selection knob allows users to easily adjust between number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuits, providing flexibility for various project needs. The integral fence offers quick and easy bevel capacity adjustments from 0 to 90 degrees, giving you the versatility to tackle a wide range of joinery tasks. The paddle switch design is user-friendly, accommodating both left and right-handed users for comfortable operation. Upgrade your woodworking toolkit with the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Biscuit Joiner and experience the precision, power, and versatility needed for top-quality joinery projects. Number 10. Meet the Pony Portable Folding Work Table, your versatile two-in-one solution for sawhorse and workbench needs. This portable work table seamlessly switches between functions, adapting to various work scenarios for ultimate convenience. With a load capacity of 500 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, it's incredibly sturdy, thanks to its aluminum-made leg frame. The work table is height adjustable, offering 6 different height settings from 30-inch to 35-inch, perfect for any project and workspace, whether it's your garage, lawn, or garden. The table measures 31-inch times 25-inch, providing ample workspace. The set includes a 1-pack work table, 2 12-inch and 2 6-inch medium-duty easy hold bar clamps, 2 large bench dogs, 2 small bench dogs, and 2 safety straps. These bar clamps can fasten directly to the table or hold items vertically or horizontally, offering great flexibility. The collapsible design folds flat for easy carrying and storage, making it a breeze to move between jobs or store in your car, garage, or storage room. Upgrade your workspace with the Pony Portable Folding Work Table and experience unmatched versatility and convenience.